Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Ari Shah, and today we'll be talking about Happy Coin, thehappycoin.co. Go check out this meme coin. It is for really good reason that I mentioned this today because we are in the middle of a super cycle bull run and we're seeing meme coins absolutely explode. So if you guys are excited and you made a lot of money off these low cap gems, these shit coins, these meme coins that are doing 100x, 20x, 30x, we've seen it with SafeMoon, SafeMars, we've created an entire portfolio on it. Smash that like button because we're making exponential gains and we're stacking our Satoshis. All right. If you guys don't have your Bitcoin stacked, your Ethereum stacked, your BNB stacked, your Cardano, your Polkadot, make sure you do those things, but also be aware that we're in a time that we've never seen before. After Dogecoin, we saw Shiba Inu, then Kishu Inu, then Hokkaido Inu. We've seen SafeMoon, SafeMars, and today we're here to talk about how you can buy Happy Coin. You can buy it on Pancakeswap. I'm going to show the full iPhone tutorial on this video today, and the contract address will be listed below. But you guys have been blowing up my comments with Happy Coin. I see a lot of people talking about Happy Coin, so we've gone ahead and added it to the portfolio. We're about to take a look at what Happy Coin is. All right, guys, let's not waste your time and let's get into it. All right, guys, so we are on thehappycoin.co. Don't worry, be happy. A charity-oriented token that is helping to fight mental illness across the world. Meet Happy Coin. The world needs happy. Guys, I'm going through the website. If you want to skip forward to the tutorial on how to purchase Happy Coin, go ahead. You can click buy Happy Coin on their website and you'll get the address. The iPhone tutorial will be coming up shortly in this video. But the world needs happy. Mental illness is a silent battle for 10% of the world's population. It has touched almost every person on earth, and yet it's something we still never talk about. Why? Despite serious progress in the past decade, mental health is still heavily stigmatized and under-researched. Happy Coin is a token that is set out to change this. Fantastic. All right. Original supply, 30% of it will be burned, 10% tax on transactions, same thing as SafeMoon. Profit from holding and charity wallet, 5% of initial token supply has been reserved. 2.5 will be invested in financing the project. The other 2.5 belongs to the charity wallet, which donates on a weekly basis. So this is a do good happy coin. Their marketing seems to be absolutely on point. We can see their roadmap. They launched in April 2021. I believe they launched on 4/20, first donation. And now that we come in May, we are getting listed on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and they're making website improvements, adding the merch, more donations, and major partnerships coming. So I imagine they're about to push these advertising. And if any of these coins end up being like Shiba Inu, where they get listed onto a major exchange, they will blow up in price. Crypto.com and KuCoin seems to be doing this more than Coinbase or Binance. They usually don't list something under a cent, but we see in June they have an NFT marketplace coming, and the NFT space is huge. We should still be in a bull run by then, so that is exciting, guys. All right, meet the founder, Sawyer, 23 years old, opened it on January 1st, 2021. Where we donate, they talk about where they donate, frequently asked questions. But guys, you can check them out here. And if you want to follow them on Twitter, feel free to. They have a Telegram group as well. But Happy Coin is one of those coins where people think it's going to 100x. What do you think? Are there enough followers? 7,625 isn't that many followers. So guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. And as always, thank you for your time. Nothing's more valuable than your time except your money. So let's take a look into this tutorial. All right, guys, we're going to be showing you how to buy Happy Coin. You guys have been posting it in the comments. My friend bought it a few weeks ago, and now taking a second look and looking at the altcoins, we realize we want to buy some happy coins. So you can go to thehappycoin.com and copy their address, and then you can go to your trust wallet and open up Pancakeswap, and you can go ahead and put that address. We have already done that here, but if you want to start over, all you do is put the address, and boom, you find happy coin. It's already been added, and we want to do the swap, so we will go ahead and purchase this happy coin. Price impact 2.63%. Uh-oh. Let's see. Sometimes we take the last number off. All right, guys, so we were able to get $264.47 of happy coin. Boom, and everything should be in our wallet. And now when we go to our wallet, we can see that we need to add happy coin here, and you'll know this is the coin because of the logo. Great marketing, in my opinion. The happy coin looks amazing, and now we have our happy coin here. All right, so guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you like happy coin? Do you think it's going to the moon? Are we going to 100x on this coin? But as always, thank you for your time. Nothing's more valuable than your time, and I'll see you next time with some more gems.
Take me to the moon. I want to go so high. We're going to the sky, yeah. Safe moon, blowing my mind. Safe moon is going so high. Safe moon, gonna make me cry. Oh yeah, going so high.
Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go to the moon, moon. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go to the moon, moon.
Safe moon, yeah, let's go, bro. It's time to FOMO. Make me cry, baby. I can't wait, I can't wait. Millie's on the May, Millie's on the way. I can feel it, yeah, I can feel it on the way, yeah. Safe moon on the way, safe moon on the way, safe moon on the way. I get more today, today.
Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go to the moon, moon. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go to the moon, moon.
It's still early right now. Get that moon right now. 4 trillion tokens burnt to the ground right now. Over 600 holders, that's too many to beholders. If you knew what we were going, we're going to a million now. 3.5 market cap, going to 10 billion now. 10 billion market cap would be at least a 3x now. 3x your money tomorrow. Binance list is coming, that shit is inevitable.
Safe moon, blowing my mind.
safe moon is going so high. Safe moon, gonna make me cry. Oh yeah, going so high. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go to the moon, moon. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go to the moon.